Hi there, it's Tonya Stokes, your North Carolina home advisor. Welcome back. When it comes to finding your dream home, mm, Classica Homes has got what you're looking for. They have an array of options, including this stunning Napa floor plan. You've got to see this house in person. Now, the property is located south of Charlotte, with other properties in Huntersville as well as Fort Mill. This particular house boasts a 4 to 6 bedroom option with a 4.5 to 6.5 bathroom option, as well as options for a 2 or 3 car garage bay. It's complete with a designated office and a huge owner suite on the main level. It also has 9-foot ceilings on both floors. You also have a bonus room and tech space. Now, this model has dual laundry rooms, including one in the owner's suite. And stay tuned for that breathtaking 12-foot wall of pocket doors to your beautiful covered patio. It truly transforms the space, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. Now, this model is 4,664 square feet. Can you see your family thriving here? I bet you can. Hey, if you have any questions or you would like a private tour, my contact information is on the screen as well as in the description area. Email me at info@tonyastokes.com or give me a call, 704-756-2752. Hey, if you don't mind, please give this video a thumbs up and forward it to a friend who is interested in buying or selling real estate in Charlotte or surrounding areas. Hey, I've taken up enough of your time. I'll let you take your tour in peace and let me know what you think of this magnificent home. I'm here to assist you every step of the way. So get in touch with me. Didn't I tell you this was a beautiful home? 4,664 square feet of nothing but beauty. I would never leave home. Hey, if you or a friend would like a private tour of this property, give me a call at 704-756-2752. My information is on the screen and also in the description box. My name is Tonya Stokes, your North Carolina real estate agent. I would love to show you more homes like this. Feel free to log on to my website at tstokeshomes.com. Here's a little tour of the community so you get to see how your neighbors are living. We'll talk soon. Bye.